Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 4 from exercise 4.3. So the question number 4 is state that construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. So we have to construct or we have to frame three equations, okay, which start with x is equal to 2. So our first equation we have is x is equal to 2. So if I multiply, we have to make, our main aim is to make x is equal to 2. So let us multiply 6 on both the side. If I multiply 6 on both the side, what are you going to get? We will be getting 6x is equal to 6 into 2, which will be equal to 12. So if you solve this equation, if you solve this value, if you try to find the value of x, you will be getting x is equal to 2 only. How? Just have a look. If I divide this 6 on both the side, we will be getting 6x by 6 is equal to 12 divided by 6. So which will be resulting x is equal to 2, isn't it? So just have a look. By multiplying with 6 also, the value is not altering. That means x, it will remain x is equal to 2 only. So we don't have to show all this, but just for proving I have showed you that 6x is equal to 12 will also indicate x is equal to 2. Now this is our first equation. They have asked us to frame or construct three equations, so one of the equation is done. Now from this equation 1, what I'm going to do is I will be we have to make x is equal to 2 only. We cannot change this, but whatever we do, our last value for the x should be 2 only. If I now subtract 4 on both the side in equation 1, okay, subtracting 4 on both side of equation 1. This is our equation 1, and if I subtract 4 on both the side, so let me write 6x minus 4 is equal to 12 minus 4. Our equation will be 6x minus 4 is equal to 8. So this is our second equation. So why I'm confidently saying that this is my equation, because when I solve this and if I try to get the value of x, I'll be getting x is equal to 2 only. So that will be our intention, that is our intention to do. So how I'll come to know that whether it is 6 x is equal to 2 or not? So I'll transpose this minus 4 to this side. What I'll be getting, it will be 8 plus 4. Now 6x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 12 divided by 6, which will be 2. You can use other method also by adding 4 on both the side, right? If I do so, what I'll be getting, so I'll be getting the value x is equal to 2 only. So by adding any number or by subtracting any number, your value should not change. That is, your x should remain 2 only. That is our main aim, and this is our second equation. All right, okay, so we got first equation 6x is equal to 12. Our second equation, x is 6x minus 4 is equal to 8. Now our third, in order to frame third equation, what I'm going to do is I will be dividing 6 on both the sides. So now you can try with your own number, but remember your x value should be 2 only. Your x value cannot be minus 2, your x value cannot be 1, your x value cannot be 0. So the first equation which what was given in the question, with the help of that only we have to frame, and x value should remain 2 only. Okay, so now dividing 6 on both sides. If I divide 6 on both sides of equation 2, remember, from equation 2 only we have to do it. So if I divide this by 6 is equal to 8 divided by 6. Now if I do so, if I break this 6, I can write that 6x minus 4 by 6. Yes, having same denominator, simply 6x minus 4 can be written. So it is equal to I can cut this part, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, so I can write as 4 by 3, isn't it? Now 6x, now 6 gets cancelled out, right? 6 and 6 gets cancelled out. X is equal to minus 4 by 6. I can transpose to this side. What it will become? It will become 4 by 3 plus 4 by 6. Yes. Now what is the value of x? Just have a look. Okay, so we got our equation. That means we don't have to find all this. We don't have to solve it. You can solve it for your better understanding, that is whether x value will be 2 or not. But we got our equation. From here we can write x minus 4 by 6, right, is equal to 4 by 3. So this will be our equation. Okay, if we solve this now, which we were doing, if we solve this, we'll be getting the equation. Let us see. 8 4 here, so it is 12 divided by 6. So 6 1 the 6, 6 2 is 12. Now you can see x is equal to 12 we are getting at the final, but we don't have to solve. They have just asked us to frame an equation, so which we did, right? So this will be our third equation. So I can write here number 3. So I hope you people understood what we have done, what we have to do for each in each case to frame or to construct an equation. You have to multiply, you have to subtract, but the value which was given at the first, that is x is equal to, should not change. All right, so I hope you people understood this. Proceeding to the second part of the question, of question number 4, that is part B, you have to construct 3 equations which start with x is equal to minus 2. The question is very much similar to that of the question number A. So let us multiply 5 on both the side. Multiplying 5 on both the side. You can multiply any other number, but remember your x value should remain minus 2 only. So 5x is equal to minus 2 into 5, which will be 5x is equal to minus 10. So if I from here, if I want to find the value of x, I'll be getting what? I'll be getting 2 only, minus 2 only, right? So even the value of x cannot be 2 also, it should be minus 2 only. So if I try to find the value, x is equal to minus 10 by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So hence you are getting minus 2. That means this equation is fine. This equation is perfect, right? So we don't have to solve. This is just for confirmation I am showing you all, but don't have to solve in the examination. Just they have asked us to frame an equation. So this is our first equation. Now to frame 2 more equation will be your home assignment. Okay, kindly solve it and tell me what are the equation you are getting. You can use this equation 1 and further you can proceed. You can add, you can subtract, but the value should remain minus 2 and equation should be formed. Now you have to frame 2 more equation. All right, so this much for today. All right, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.